I've only ever seen stanced versions of these.
So it's a kind of a Franken setup. So right now the current setup is 2007 Accord V6 front struts with the EK springs cut 2 coils on those struts, and then 1/4-inch HRG shims. The rear Civic front springs cut 1 coil on rear struts, flipped lower control arms on 27-inch tires.
And that's all just to get the height
Yep.
perfectly dialed in.
Yes.
Why?
Because I can.
Bunch of them. The dark tints 5% all around. Honestly, I think S2Ks are one of the best stock cars that Honda ever came out with. Yeah, they're not comfortable for tall people, but they're still a beautiful car. Great design. Honestly, the OEM system just looks incredible to me. That's just. Would you do hard top or soft top? You heard? Hard top or soft top?
Hard top.
I would also do hard top. But the only thing that sucks about hard top is that if it rains, or you know, you already have it off, you know, you really think you've seen it all. I know, what's this? You think you've seen it all, and then you see some shit like this. Wow. How much you think it costs to put doors up like this?
I'm a gold place you ain't never been. Drop a bag. I'm spending money you ain't never spent. Spin a block, and if he ain't dead, then we gon' spin again. Man, I feel like 50. The chopper gon' kill like many men. Niggas talking, I ain't never heard of them. Red rum. We might drop a nigga, we might murder him. We don't give a fuck about no dead ops. All my niggas hackers, all we do is hit them headshots. Baby,
The snap
the man now. Pass it to the
product
click,
placement
you
is
fucking
crazy.
on my friends now. Talking crazy to my demons. They might crash out, spaz out. Bitch ain't fucking, she can get up out the trap house. Gang with me, we be moving real militant. Pussy nigga, I'ma go places you ain't never been. Drop a bag, I'm spending money you ain't never spent. Spin a block, and if he ain't dead, then we gon' spin again. Man, I feel like 50, the chopper gon' kill like many men. Funny niggas with me, we getting to the silly band. Shorty wanna fuck, yeah, I know she want my mans. Pussy wanna tangle, yeah, my chopper, it gon' dance.
Yeah, niggas talking hard, they ain't no shooters, got no accuracy. Knife on this bitch, I got hitters, they gon' clap for me. You a pussy nigga, blow no smoke, you get clapped for free. Fuck her by the ball, she off fours, lit off daiquiris. She a cover girl, type of bitch to make them magazines. Lugo, he be with me, he gon' tow machines, smoking greens. Nigga talking static, he get 223s. Movie scenes, holding on this bitch, I call it lemon squeeze. When I see the blick, I get horny, I'm like, let me squeeze. She gon' please, nigga moving shiesty, he getting off for cheese. Got some beans, I'm the type of nigga, shank you in the spleen. Listerine, she gon' rinse my nut just like she Mr. Clean. Bitch, you clean, coming to the track. Bitch, you been a fiend, been a king. Resurrected on my soul, I'm born to win. Been a king, resurrected on my soul, I'm born to win.
Gang with me, we be moving real militant. Pussy nigga, I'ma go place you ain't never been. Drop a bag, I'm spending money you ain't never spent. Spin a block, and if he ain't dead, then we gon' spin again. Man, I feel like 50, the chopper gon' kill like many men. Niggas talking, I ain't never heard of them. Red rum, we might drop a nigga, we might murder him. We don't give a fuck about no dead ops. All my niggas hackers, all we do is hit them
places
headshots.
you ain't never been, whoa. Let the chopper sing, you niggas haven't sent more. Money on my mind, I run it up again, goes. Gorillas that be with it, they be on your head, oh. Fly nigga feeling, not losing, I'm always winning. You snoozing, I gotta get it. Benji stacked up to the ceiling. My goonies, they finna kill it. I said we breaking your spirit, having
You know
niggas
you got caught,
disappearing.
you got
Don't
someone
believe
down,
what
take
you
it
be
forward.
hearing, yeah. I'm not regular, I'm hot, turn it up. Bitches, they be bugging, annoying, she hit my cellular. Fuck dots, cross them out. Shorties only want the clout. Money I be touching, you niggas never know nothing about. Best not come around, chopper finna lay you down. Fucking up your summer now, giving us the run around. Spinning high, spinning now. Block we finna spin around. 6 feet underground, calling me the villain now. Whoa.
Gang with me, we be moving real militant. Pussy nigga, I'ma go place you ain't never been. Drop a bag, I'm spending money you ain't never spent. Spin a block, and if he ain't dead, then we gon' spin again. Man, I feel like 50.
My man's got Captain America. I salute you.
Red rum, we might drop a nigga, we might murder him. We don't give a fuck about no dead ops. All my niggas hackers, all we do is hit them headshots.
I'm the hottest in the city, bet your daughter know. Pull up in that straight drop like Geronimo. Homie got the Glock 40, carry 45s and more. 12 gauge through the obstacles, I hit the scene. You already know I got the handy, no promethazine. If I spend 1100 on a Glock, hit with the beam. Ay, ay, then I'm spazzing. Back some pussy, baby, this a transaction. She like China white plug, then I make it happen. Say you from the law, from his eye, see capping. Ay, niggas pussy for the captions. Ay, money kinda big dough, crazy how you hate me, but your bitch don't.
Man, the NSX has always been a gem.
Playing games with 9, I'm finna pop out with that calico.
feel like that Reaper coming. Time for repercussion. I know you seeing nothing. Up in my face
Fitment
and try to
is
shit,
like
but I don't know
at
you
an
cousin. I know
all-time
some
high,
niggas
bro.
want me dance until I'm touching. Ay, just faking memories, ball until I rest in peace. Young and counting hella cheese. No boy got the remedy. Round my city, hella fiends. Oh, you got a pack of Zans, homie got that shit for cheap.
I think that's gonna do it. That event was crazy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. I think we're gonna build a drift car.
Yeah, niggas talking hard, they ain't no shooters, got no accuracy. Knife on this bitch, I got hitters, they gon' clap for me. You a pussy nigga, blow no smoke, you get clapped for free. Fuck her by the ball, she off fours, lit off daiquiris. She a cover girl, type of bitch to make the magazines. Lugo, he be with me, he gon' tow machines.